So today we're going to be doing 1.2b8. Annie has 4 balloons, Sydney has 5 balloons. They want to know how many balloons they have in all, which doubles fact can help you find out how many balloons the 2 girls have. So I know Annie's got 4 balloons and I know Sydney has 5. So those are going to be near doubles. So what I'm going to be doing is figuring out which one's the closest to that. So I could either have 4 and 4 or 5 and 5. So my double fact that's the closest is this 4 and 4, and then I would add 1 more. Which answer correctly describes the relationship between the 2 numbers shown below? Mark your answer. Well, I have 31 and I have 36. So I know 31 is less than 36 because I'm reading this left to right. Which statement best describes a triangle? Mark your answer. A triangle has exactly 4 sides and 4 vertices. Nope, a triangle does not. I'm going to in fact draw a triangle to help me remember my facts about a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 4 vertices. No, a triangle has exactly 3 sides and 3 vertices. Yes. A triangle can be look like this. A triangle can look like this, but it must still have 3 sides and 3 vertices. Rico gives his friends a list of 5 movie titles. He asks them which movie they want to see. What should he do to show their answers and organize his data? So you may say he's going to graph, or he's going to do a tally mark, or a picture graph, or a bar graph. Any of those would have been acceptable answers. Write or draw 2 different ways to decompose the number 56. I could represent the number 56, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, do 1, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56 like this. I could decompose the number 56 by 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, like this. There are more than these ways. These are just 2 ways I did it. For 119, I could represent it with 1 flat, 1 10, and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or I could show it by 11 tens and 9 ones, or I could represent it with 1 flat and 19 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, like that. There are more ways than this to show it. I'm just representing it 2 ways. You could represent it more. This flat right here represents 100. And this represents 19 ones. This is 100 plus 10 plus 9. So I represented those. Which number can be composed from the following? 11 tens and 3 ones. So if I have 11 tens, really that means I have 1 group of 100, 1 leftover 10, and 3 ones, which I know is 113. Which number can be composed with the following? All right, I'm going to have 100, 110, and 10 ones. That means I have 120.